Hello listener, in our previous video we have discussed, in our previous two videos we have discussed graphical method of finding a solution of a pair of linear equation. We have discussed that we get two straight line, either it will intersect or it will parallel, okay, or it will coincide, okay, we discuss. With the help of example problem, we have completed the intersect parallel lines. Now today we are going to discuss about coincide, okay, third type of straight line, how you will get in your graphical method. Okay, our next example problem is the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 300. Later he buys 1 more bat and 2 balls for 13. Find the value of 1 bat and 1 ball. Okay, what is the price of 1 bat and 1 ball? We have to find out. Let's do solution. Okay, let we have to find out the cost of 1 bat and 1 ball. Cost of 1 bat and 1 ball. Let the cost of each bat be x. We don't know, so we are considering as each bat be x, and the cost of each ball be y. Okay, by. Bat is x, ball is y. So the coach, what the coach has done, he has purchased 3 bats. 3 bats means what is your L1 first line? 3x. Okay, what is your balls means y? 6y is equal to 3900. Okay, what is your L2? He buy one more bat means x, and 2 balls is equal to 1300. Okay, 1300. That is, we got the equations, L1 equations and L2 equations. We have got a pair of linear equations. Then find out the coordinates. If we are doing graphical method, no, compulsory we required x and y coordinates. Okay, let's do further. Just note it down. Okay, what is your L1 equation is 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. So when x is equal to 100, substitute x value in your equation. 3 into 100 is 300 plus 6y is equal to 3900. So 6y 39 minus 300, what you will get as 3600. So y equal to 3600 by 6 you will get as 600. So what is your x? 100. What is your y is 600. Then take one more coordinate, point value. X is equal to 200. Okay, 600 plus 6y equal to 3900. 6y equal to 39 minus 6 you will get as 3300. Y equal to 3300 by 6, what you will get? 550. So x is 200. Then what is the value of y is 550. Okay, what is the value of y is 550. Okay, for your, let's draw table, graphical table with x and y coordinate. X, y. When x is 100, y is 600. When x is 200, y is 550. Okay, then solve your L2. What is your L2? X plus 2y is equal to 1300. When x is equal to 100, 100 plus 2y equal to 1300, 2y equal to 1200, y equal to 1200 by 2 is equal to 600. So what value you are getting? 100 by 600. Then when x is equal to 200, okay, we are taking x equal to 200. Substitute 200 plus 2y is equal to 1300. Okay, 1300 1300. So what you will get? 2y equal to 13 minus 200, you will get 1100. Okay, y equal to 1100 by 2, you will get as 550. So what value you are getting? When x is 200, y is 550. Okay, just represent in the table x and y coordinate. When x is equal to 100, y is 600. When x is 200, y is 550. Okay, then we will draw a graph by using these coordinates. Okay, let's draw a graph. Okay, for better practice, use the graph papers. Okay, I am just roughly drawing the graph. This is x coordinate, this is y axis. Okay, this is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, what is the maximum? Whenever you are using graph, 1 unit is equal to 100 centimeter you will take. By using the scale, you have to point out the exact points. Okay, I am just roughly doing. So what is your x? Up to 200. What is your y? 600. Okay, I am taking 100. Okay, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. Okay, that is your x. Let's take y. 100 with equidistance, do it. 300, 400, 500 and 600. Okay, 600. Whenever you are using scale, using scale, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 units. Okay, by using this you have to put the marks. Okay, just take. What is L1? X is 100. So what is your y is 200. Okay, 200. When x is 100, y is 600. Okay, when x is 200, y is 550. 550 means between 500 and 600. This is the point. Just join it. Okay, okay, just join it. 200 means go up. Okay, join it. This is L1 line. Okay, just go for L2. When x is 100, y is 600. Okay, when x is 200, 550 means L1 and L2 same. You are getting the point. L1 and L2 as same lines you are getting. Okay, L2 also same. Means these equations are geometrically shown by a pair of coincidence. Means two lines coincide with each other. Two lines coincide with each other. If the solution of the equations are given by the common points, what we have observed, that by observing we said that they are having common solution. L1 and L2 having common solution. Okay, common solution. We can also call as it is a equivalent equation. Equivalent. Okay, this type of pair of equation is called as consistent pair of equation or dependent pair of equation. Just observe it. Okay, just observe it, the equation 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. Just observe the equation. Two equation, x plus 2y equal to 1300. Okay, observe it that when two different linear, if that L1 and L2 are two different linear equations, you will not get same line. Means you will not get common solution. Means it will not coincide. If it is the same equations, then only you will get a common solution or equivalent. Observe it. See the first L1, okay. If you are dividing this equation by 3, what you will get as 3. 3 3 cancel, 3 2s are 3 1s are 1300, means you will get L2 equations. If you are multiplying L2 equation with 3, what you are getting? 3x plus 6y as 3900. It means these two equations are not different equations. They are same equations. They are same equations. So we are calling as it is a equivalent equation and it is dependent. It is dependent equation. It is dependent equation. Just observe it. 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. Okay, this L1 and L2. If you are dividing first equation by 3, you will getting second equation. If you are multiplying second equation with 3, you are getting the first equation. It shows that these two equations are same. So it is called as equivalent equations. Okay, in our graphical method of finding solution of a pair of linear equation, we have seen solutions. Okay, whenever you are using graphical method, whenever you are using linear equation, you will get a straight line. Whenever you are using pair of linear equations, 2 lines. So there is a possibility that you will get one of these 3 methods. Okay, this is called intersecting line. Points of intersecting is this one, means common solution you will get for both equations. It is also it is also called as this kind of straight line is called intersect. Intersecting line will give you common solution. Common solution. Okay, common solution. You can also call as you will get unique solution. Okay, unique solution. You will get as unique solution. Just go for coincide. Okay, coincide, because L1 and L2 are coincide with each other, means you will get infinite common solution. Infinite common solution. Infinite common points you will get it. Infinite common point you will get it. Okay, infinite common point means infinite solution you will get it. Infinite solution you will get it. Okay, coincide means infinite solution you will get it in a single line. Okay, third one is your parallel. Okay, it is called as parallel. It is not intersecting. Parallel line. Okay, parallel line. Parallel line. Okay, parallel line means no common point, no common solution you will get it. No common. Okay, no common point. PT means point, or you can say no common solution. Okay, it is not intersecting. If it is intersecting, common solution you will get it. Okay, you will get it. No common solution or no common solution you will get it. This is intersecting line, and coincide line is also called as consistent pair of linear equation. Consistent pair of linear equation. Okay, whenever you are getting this kind of graphs, means intersecting graph or coinciding line, it means that it is a consistent pair of linear equations. And this kind of parallel line or this kind of graph, if you are getting, it is called as inconsistent pair of linear equation. This kind of question come for 1 marks answer. Linear equation. Linear equation. Okay, just keep in mind. So this kind of problems will come, means this kind of graph means it is intersecting, it is a common solution, it will give you common solution, means point of intersection means common solution for both the line, unique solution. Coincide, infinite solution you will get in a coincide line. This kind of is called as consistent pair of linear equations. This is parallel line, no common point, no common solution. It called as inconsistent pair of linear equations. So in our coming classes we discuss about further. Okay.